Market daily visualization for June 9th, 2026. First, we adjust the price. Strong up day. Adjust the daily range. Adjust the low of the day. Adjust the high of the day. Oops. This one right here. We're going to adjust the 30 period SMA while we're here. Right there, and there we go. Adjusting the PSAR for the RL30, adjusting the PSAR for the RL10. Still in no man's land. Adjusting the 5-day look back. Adjusting the 10-day look back. Adjusting the 30-day look back. 30-day low remains in place. The 10-period regression line gets marched forward 1 day with the extension for the trend. The 20-period regression line lagged by 10 days, which takes us from day 30 to day 10, is adjusted. Double support still in place. I'm going to add a 5-day low in there. I think that's an important price level. The 120-day regression line lagged by 30. That takes us from day 30 back to day 150. And the 150-day move is adjusted. The price reference is adjusted one. And there we are. Caught a 2 opportunity inside here, trying to get through 760.